So this is Sam Woods from the Conservation Volunteers, just doing a little tour of things that are growing in pots and containers around the coming out of lockdown garden. So here I have some tomato plants, and the first of these are in a fairly big, this is just an old crate that I lined with cardboard and put some manure in, and you can see that the growth on these tomatoes is really quite strong, and they are starting to form fruit. I've got some other tomatoes here, so I've got one here that's been growing in a very small pot and is looking, obviously it's looking much more chlorosed. It hasn't got enough nutrition. The leaves are not anywhere near as green or as vibrant as the ones growing in the bigger pot. But this one is in a fairly small pot. It's not in a massive pot, but that's actually doing quite well. So even the difference between this size of pot and one a few inches bigger has made quite a difference to the actual growth of the tomato. The other thing to notice here is that I have been taking off some of the leaf growth, and that's partly just to allow a bit more airflow, because these are obviously planted quite close together, which often happens if you're growing in small spaces. So I've just taken off some of the leaf growth in order to allow more airflow, just to try and slow down any blight or any problems coming from humidity on the tomatoes.